These pins represent UCSF hospitals. Collectively, they bring in roughly $536 million in revenue every month.
Which is mostly made up of insurance claims.
Patients walk in, receive care, and the hospital sends a bill to the insurance company.
But in 2023, UCSF reported $1.4 billion in uncompensated claims.
Which means that the bill wasn't paid for. Normally, UCSF makes 170,000 claims every month.
Roughly 20% of these claims get denied almost instantly. That's 30,000 people who now have to front the bill.
Now, there are a lot of reasons why healthcare sucks in America, but fighting for claims is one of the worst problems we have.
And unlike all the other reasons, we can actually fix this one.
When a claim gets denied, it's actually on the hospital to go and fight the insurance company to get it covered.
Before the 2000s, it used to be just one phone call or one document where a doctor proved that they provided care.
But today, it seems like they've deliberately made it harder than it needs to be.
5 phone calls, each taking half an hour.
10 documents for every appeal.
All of this back and forth takes 4 months on average.
By then, 160,000 new patients have come and gone. So the backlog of uncovered claims just keeps piling up.
All because they're forcing hospitals to go through 50 hoops that were never needed. But there's a team here and they found a way to fight back. Yo, you guys busy?
Yeah.
We're building an army of voice agents for hospitals to automate their insurance phone calls.
Hospitals take up way too much time to process insurance claims, and it's obviously deliberate.
All of the information that the insurance company asks for through this code can be easily accessed through an insurance portal or some software solution.
It's just information that can be sent instantly if they wanted it, but instead they force you to make these phone calls. They have built entire armies to prevent you from getting through. So we're building our own. How would you say it?
So over the past few years, AI voice agents have become more capable than ever.
They sound just like us, can ask real questions that we would ask, but most importantly, they can direct conversations to get what we want.
So one of the hospitals we work with does 5,000 calls per day to insurance companies to get these claims processed. And we provide thousands of AI voice agents to basically trick the insurance companies and go through all the hoops for them. So hospital staff can do things that actually matter and save their time.
But why can't a hospital just hook up ChatGPT to their phone?
In a typical insurance call, there are roughly 500 possible questions that can be asked. Their team learned this through a trial they ran with one of UCSF's hospitals, where they processed an initial batch of 20,000 calls.
They tested different voices, styles of conversation, and questions. They filtered it down to 4 of the best people in their AI army, and 2 important qualities: realistic background noise, like office sounds or street noise, and realistic filler words, like ums, buts, pauses. And they also discovered that male voices have a 40% higher success rate than female voices when talking to insurance brokers.
Weird. By the end of their trial, the failure rate of one of their voice agents was only 2%, which is why UCSF is trusting them to integrate into 5 of their hospitals next month, after hitting a record high in revenue during their trial.
Right now, they're deployed in 23 hospitals and medical billing companies, handling 5,000 calls every day, freeing up the staff's time for actual patient work. They're doing this for their friends, their family, ordinary people, because they've seen countless stories just like this.
All 3 of them have worked in the healthcare industry for years.
Suhail used to make these calls himself, and David actually built one of the largest healthcare agents in Taiwan, with 120,000 providers using it every day.
They've experienced this problem firsthand, which is why they know how to fix it. What are you going to do for the world?
I want to make healthcare more accessible.